Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to turn on and turn off professional mode on Facebook, so let's start. First go on Facebook app. After that click on this little icon of your profile. Then click on this three dot. Now you will see, turn on professional mode, and tap on this. Then read what is professional mode and what he offer. When you done tap on turn on. Now you need to finish settings up for your profile. Now if you want to turn off professional mode, go back to your profile, and again tap on this three dot. After that tap on turn off professional mode. And go to continue. Then turn off. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.